A very good afternoon and Jai Hind everyone. So here I will explain you a principle of contribution. Principle of contribution means when the same risk is insured with two or more insurance company, then it is known as double insurance. Means as per this principle of contribution, if a person has taken more than one insurance policy for the same subject matter, then all the insurers will contribute the amount of loss in proportion to the amount assured by each of them and compensate him only for the actual loss, not more than that. Because if the insured will take the compensation from both the insurance company, then he or she will may earn a profit also, and the contract of insurance is not a contract of earning of profit. This I have already explained you. So if the entire amount of loss has been paid by the one insurer, he is entitled to receive proportionate contribution from such insurer. So what here we will do, we will apply one formula here, that is sum assured with a particular insurance company upon total sum assured with all the insurance company into actual loss. So suppose here I am taking the example, Anuj is a businessman and Anuj gets his shoe factory insured against a fire, means he has taken a fire insurance policy of rupees 2 lakh from insurance company X, and of rupees 3 lakh he has taken a fire insurance policy from insurance company Y. And actually one day what happened, a fire occurred in his factory and he suffered a loss of rupees 1 lakh. So what is the actual loss? Actual loss is of 1 lakh rupees. For the same subject matter, for the same fire, he has taken two policy. One is from company X and one is from company Y. So this formula we will apply over here to calculate that how much amount both the companies will contribute proportionately. So here first we will calculate compensation from company X, from insurance company X. So what is the formula? Sum assured with the particular insurer, means particular insurance company. So what is the sum assured with company X? 2 lakh rupees, because from company X we have taken insurance policy of rupees 2 lakh. Then total sum assured with all the insurance companies. So what is the total sum? 2 lakh plus 3 lakh. This is a two policy. The total sum assured with both the companies is 5 lakh rupees. 2 plus 3 lakh. So here 5 lakh rupees. And what is the actual loss? Into actual loss. Actual loss is 1 lakh rupees, because Anuj suffered a loss of rupees 1 lakh. So when you solve this, you will get rupees 40,000. Means insurance company X will not pay the entire amount of rupees 2 lakh. 2 lakh is the policy amount. So company X will not pay the entire 2 lakh rupees to Anuj. Company will pay rupees 40,000. Means this is the amount which is contributed by company X. Now let's see the contribution of company Y, or compensation from company Y. Same formula we will apply, but only here there is a change in amount. What is the amount which is assured with company Y? 3 lakh rupees, because we have taken a policy of rupees 3 lakh from company Y. Total sum assured from all the insurance company is rupees 5 lakh into actual loss, that is 1 lakh rupees. So here we will get rupees 60,000. It means proportionately company Y, insurance company Y, will give 60,000 rupees. So what is the actual loss? Actual loss is equal to amount compensated by both the insurer, that is insurance company X and Y. So actual loss is equal to 1 lakh rupees, and here amount compensated by both the insurer is 40,000 and 60,000. So 40,000 plus 60,000, that is 1 lakh rupees. It means a person will get compensation equal to the actual loss amount, not the entire policy amount. Means Anuj cannot take rupees 2 lakh from insurance company X and from rupees 3 lakh from insurance company Y. Both the insurance company, they will contribute in proportionate, and for this you have to apply this formula. Formula is very simple. Then when you apply the formula, that is sum assured with a particular insurance company upon the total sum assured with all the insurer into actual loss. So here the company X will contribute 40,000 rupees and company Y will contribute 60,000 rupees. Total amount means the contribution by both the companies is must be equal to actual loss. So that is what I have written over here, that is actual loss is equal to amount of compensation paid by both the insurance company. So by both the insurance company, one insurance company X, they paid 40,000 and Y paid 60,000 rupees. So it is equal to what? It is equal to actual loss. So this is a principle of contribution. When for the same subject matter, if a person has taken more than one insurance policy, in that condition both the insurance company will contribute in proportionate. This is the overall view of the entire solution. I hope it is clear to you, and I will also share the picture of this solution so that you can later on see how I have calculated. If you want to ask anything, then you can please ask on my personal window. This is all for today. Thank you and Jai Hind everyone.